All right, let's have a look at some charts, get some ideas, and so I got the MT5 up here. I'm gonna use it later. We will just check. I think this works. We got audio. Yeah, it's great. We're gonna see. We got this thing. We got this thing. I mean, I think we got everything. Yeah, why not? Okay, so today, I've been I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I've been trying to get used to the TradingView tools. They're good, but it's somewhat different. I'm used to using the MetaTrader. I'm used to using CTrader, which is probably better for my type of trading. But the futures brokers, all of them, most of them are on Tradeovate or something else that does not connect to TradingView, and yeah, so it becomes something. So today I was watching some charts, trying to decide what fits my schedule, what to trade, because I was somewhat, from collecting data from the last month or so. I was a bit, from taking a few losses last week. A bit discouraged, from the very simple crude models. Although they make money over time, it just doesn't feel right. And my own more precise models generate more, but they're also more difficult to operate. Or, well, a little bit. So, by definition at least. So today I was watching in the morning ES, and that's if anybody from US is watching, that's in the middle of the night. At London open time, I was watching ES, and I'm just thinking to myself, man, that's a good short, and the trade, I think it ended up becoming like an 8 hour or something silly, and I'm just looking at the screen going, wow, that's crazy. Anyway, so trades today, I decided my model fits with trading gold, and it can be traded during London overlap with the Asia time, and also with US. And so I changed this model, this thing during later, because I added we're gonna add it fairly quickly. So we got the session here. I was trying some orb things to yesterday, and it was, well, let me say, somebody said do XYZ, so I did, and I plotted it, and I looked at the data, and it was horrible. So either I have the wrong information, or it simply is that no good. Okay, I think this is correct, and if we do this, we can call this FX, and we should have, yeah, see, US CFD, and it ends there. Cool. And so we have the lines, and yeah, if we zoom in, if we do this, if we do this, if we do this, that's cool. And let's yeah. Oh, right, wait, one more thing. What's Oh, yes, I know. We're gonna log out of Tradeovate because I don't want to be silly. So now, sessions. Okay, and there was the US CFD and min max. I think it's this. Yeah, now it's better. Okay, so if it looks clean, that's good. Then we can use it, right? So here's the London thing. So today the trade for London, two trades, really quite simple, basic direct price formula. Since yeah, the grabbing liquidity outside and switching direction is strong. Not waiting for grab and just simply going with the direction is something that my system is similar to. So imagine that the price creates a high, it should then create another high if we retrace. And if we don't, then it failed and it goes down. It's very, very simple like that, right? And then there's the bars, the bar formations, the price action, kinda like this formation means something, this doji means something, this pin means something, in the context of where it is. And yeah, so there's some of these different moving parts put together, right? So the first trade at 9 o'clock, we have this moving down, we have this level creating okay, what's going on here, small retrace, and we have a short with engulfing here, boom, and targeting level here, because guess what, previous low is here. So for a 1-to-1, and I'm just gonna tell you because I'm gonna put the drawings back on. And then there's here we switch direction. For those of you who know, I'm only, well, downloading my ideas here on the chart and documenting it. So this move down, this, and we switch side with a nice gap. So we switched here. And there's a long position. Probably from here. This is too far away. This is outside of time, I think. Yeah, and then there's, although I was trying out some things here, if you see some arrows, yeah, whatever. The one trade here is this. So this is US Open 1530. That means 0830 in time. And so we have the, if you look closely, this bar sweeps this low, but we have power up to the upside, but when we validate, sweep with the gap, when the power, and then go even further high. So direction of power is up with a small retrace down, all same colors. Black bar with this thick bar here, similar to Harami. Pending order just above this bar, fills me in and targeting not this, but previous high. And it's for a 1.5. We later hit the hourly high from Asia, which I was watching when this hit, and then further came even higher. Now it looks like it goes to 360 because why not? It's a round number and it's gold. Okay, yeah. Let's put the drawings back on. I'll show you. Cool, huh? So this is pretty much it. As I said, short here, along here, this M15 sweep. So this is M2 chart. The 15 sweep is here, and I can show you. And this is levels, session level and hourly level from previous. And this is the long. So we have here, right? I remove. We have done this. I remove it. Yeah. This is for another example. But yeah. So we have this low M15, and it's swept here. It's now zoomed out, but yeah. And so this is our level. And yeah, we touch it, and so. And if we go on ES, I'm not sure I have drawings on ES. I do not. Yes. London. Yeah, that's the thing. This is what I was watching on the ES. Right. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm not really sure now. I think there's a different. I think it was some 5 minutes. Let's go. Come on. Oh yeah. It's on 5 minutes. Anyway, so right. Price just kind of goes back up here. If you know the pattern called flag something, flag up or down, whatever. Basically, it's the move that price is doing when it's collecting power going to the wrong side, and it will do a series of weak wave moves in the wrong direction, and at the one point the wave moves will break, and then you have explosive moving on one side, right? And so at 0900 hours we get this strong power, and it just goes and goes, and we hit this eventually. My target here would be, well, this is too close, so my target here would be this, and it was hit, and I'm not really sure anymore which time frame I was watching it on, but you understand what I mean. So it's a nice engulfing bar, from the action here, and yeah, and then etc. And I haven't seen this yet. Yeah, this is a cool switch actually. Look, previous London lows. Here we get this consolidation, some power down, and when the US market opens, something happens, doesn't want to go down. So this, again, similar to Harami formation, means the power ending. The power in this case, this bear, but I mean, so the power going down is ending, right? So if we have indecision candle, move to the side, and the next one is like this. When we defeat it, the power goes up, right? And then pin bar touches to some previous area, whatever that there was power, right? And then we have this rejection and some pins, and then boom, later power formation, and the close below everything. All of this validating. And then if we validate, there's no power left here because gap is absorbed. This is not proven, so we should destroy it. And we did. But I didn't trade this. Yeah, those are some ideas from today. Fairly quick, but so it's only me like downloading my ideas onto YouTube really, and that's all there is. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, that's all. And I will now make another video because I have another idea that I haven't put on YouTube or recently, so I need to make another one. But yeah, if you like this small explanation, go ahead and like the video. And if you have questions, why would you have questions about me explaining things? Post your questions. It's fine. Yeah, I'll see you in the markets.